Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable ANC for your headphones Beats Studio Pro using application. You have to start by open Beats application, and of course you need to add your headphones to the app. Right here we have ambient sound control. So at the left side we have ANC, at the right side we have transparency, at the middle we have normal mode. To enable ANC, just tap at the left icon, and if you want to disable it, you need to swap or to transparency mode by just tap at the right icon, or to normal mode by just tap at the middle icon. Also, if you want to use a control to swap between ambient sound control, you can scroll down, and right here you can, because by default if you use a control you will swap between ANC and transparency. If you want to swap also with a normal mode, you just tap at the off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!